Cutoff timings in case of liquid and overnight funds. In case of purchase and switch-in transactions, the cutoff timing is 1:30 p.m. And in case of redemption and switch-out transactions, the cutoff timing is 3 p.m. We shall see the applicable NAV in case of purchase transactions in the coming slide. Applicable NAV, purchase transaction, liquid and overnight funds. See, there are two possible scenarios. Let us see the first one. Did AMC receive application before 1:30? Yes. Did AMC receive funds before cutoff time, that is 1:30 p.m.? Yes. In such a case, the applicable NAV would be the previous day NAV. See the second scenario. Did AMC receive application before 1:30? Yes. But did AMC receive funds before cutoff time? No. In such a case, the applicable NAV would be NAV previous to the day on which funds are realized by AMC prior to cutoff time, that is prior to 1:30 p.m. We shall understand this with the help of few examples in the coming slide. Purchase NAV, different scenarios. On Monday, the application is submitted before cutoff time and the fund is also transferred to AMC bank account before 1:30. In such a case, the previous day NAV is applicable, that is Sunday NAV is applicable. See the second scenario. On Tuesday, the application is submitted before cutoff time and the fund is also transferred before 1:30. Hence, the same logic applies, that is we get previous day NAV, that is Monday NAV. However, see the third scenario. On Wednesday, the application is submitted before cutoff time. However, the funds are transferred after cutoff time, that is at 2 p.m. Here, the funds are available to AMC for utilization only on next business day. So, what is the next business day here? It is Thursday. So, what is previous day to Thursday? It is Wednesday. So, the fund manager shall utilize funds, shall invest funds on Thursday and hence the previous day NAV, that is the Wednesday NAV is applicable. See, the same logic applies in the next case. That is on Friday, the application is submitted before cutoff time. However, the fund is transferred to AMC bank account after cutoff time, that is at 2 p.m. In such a case, the fund is available to fund manager for investment only on next business day. Here the next business day is Monday, hence the previous day of Monday, that is Sunday NAV is applicable. So in a nutshell, what we have to remember is we should submit application before cutoff time and also we should transfer funds before cutoff time, that is before 1:30. In such a case, we will get previous day NAV.